Hey guys, so I am on my way. I'm going to go down here to the Shin Imamiya metro station here. There's another one right here, but I'm going to go to the loop line. And we are going to hitch a ride over to Kobe via the railroad. And it's fairly easy, it's about 1 hour. So this is the loop line. We're just gonna switch English. Purchase platform ticket. I'm gonna go by station. Let's see. Platform ticket. Let's see. Osaka. Yeah, I think Osaka's the right. Let's see. So at the other station, they had it to be where you could actually buy the price by station number or by station name. So this apparently does not have that. So let's say here, Osaka. So we got to take a right here, 3-4 platform. There we go. And we just slide this in here like this. It's a ticket. Slide it in. It's for single ride. So we're going to be taking platform 4 for the local. And the other side is express or railroad. So we're in Osaka now. It's a bit crowded here, you can see. We're going to go to the Hanshin railroad line, which is downstairs. So here's Hanshin railway tickets. You can buy them at the same place you buy the subway. So I just bought Kobe Santa Moya for 330 yen there, one adult. 330 yen is like $2, so it's not bad at all.
This is Amagasaki. Station number HS9. Passengers going to Nishikujo and Yamba, please change.
Hey guys, so here's Kobe. It's another moderately large city that is near Osaka. You know, kind of like Kyoto. It's a port city here. So I have no plan as to, I do want to go check out the waterfall that is north of the city here. I may look around the port area and just kind of walk around and check it out. And we'll see what we can see here. I know they have some shrines up in the mountains here. They have say, Kobe Port Tower. You've got a little boat. You've got the airport off the ocean here. It's shopping, museums. And this is all you can see in English here. So apparently in order to get to the port, we just need to go down this road, straight down in a straight line, and that's it. And there are some different attractions down here. And then you can see that you've got some hotels over here. Let's check this out. So this is a fairly decent looking city here. There was actually an Airbnb I saw on the internet there that was really not that expensive here in Kobe. So maybe I'll consider that for next time. You know, maybe next year I'll come back in and look to hang out over here, or else Tokyo or some other place. We'll see. It's got a nice skyline here. Here we have a quiet park near the waterfront. I'm going to be going directly over to the waterfront just to see what it looks like over here. You've got some more high rises. You've got a downtown over here, and then you've got on the right side, you've got some more big buildings that I'm assuming are directly on the waterfront here. So we got a port here, Port Island. Take a left here. So kind of like Osaka. It's kind of a, oh, this is interesting. You have a big ship over here. And we'll take a look to see what that is like. So you got these trucks here, you know, Kobe, like, kind of like, see, Mir Shipping is over here. So here, it looks like we got a port up here. Let's take a look at the port here. You can see these trucks driving around here that are loading and unloading the containers. So there's a couple of big container ships over here. You got another ship under construction over here. So check out Kobe. Let's see. Let's see if we can go to get a better view of this. This is just, it's a little bit obstructed, as you can see there. You've got the Kobe Port Museum here. I think maybe there's a park over here. So let's go. We can walk a little bit this way. You've got some bridges over here. You've got the Kobe Tower over there. And so you got a lot of cool looking things around here. Here we go, guys. Now we can see the water finally. And let's see what's going on here. You've got some boats, you got a harbor, you got some bridges here. Hotel Okura over there. Let's see what this is. You've got a cruise ship over here. LK, not sure what that says on there. You've got another hotel here, the Oriental Hotel. And then over here, we have a boat called the Taisi Maru. Let's see what this is here. So this boat, it does not look like it's not a passenger ship, I don't think. I think it's maybe even it's a marine research vessel or something like this. You've got some submersibles on the back of it, or some smaller boats there. I'm no expert at boating. No idea. I do know a little bit about boating, but not too much. Maybe it's a ferry. Yeah, I think maybe that's what this is actually. Ferry to some island or something. I guess those are lifeboats on the back of it. Check this out. This is pretty fabulous view up here. Kawasaki said they have a factory over here. So if we go over here, it looks like we have a park or another kind of outdoor garden there. Maybe this ferry, I don't know, maybe this is a ferry to Tokyo or something like that. So on this side of the waterfront here, this looks like some kind of, I don't know what this is, a fancy hotel, I guess. Yeah, that's probably what this is here. There's no sign, there's people wearing suits there. Hey guys, so here's Kobe Tower. It looks to be that this is under construction. This is not somewhere where we can go in and visit there. It's just closed, so it's not ready yet. However, there's a lot of buildings, hotels, and things like that over here. This is not a small town. It's definitely pretty big. I just took a walk, maybe a mile over here to the tower from the other side there. And so, yeah, it's a pretty nice town, for sure. Not as many tourists. A little more quiet than Osaka. And I'm going to head back through the center and be on my way. So here's the other side of the town here. You can see it's very well manicured. Maybe a little more upscale than Osaka, in fact, noticeably, but also less busy here. So I think probably what I'm doing is I'm going to come back another time and check the waterfall out. If you go towards the mountains here, I'll take a shot of this in a minute here. Then you've got, some monasteries up there, hiking trails, stuff like that. So I think a little too far today because I do have a flight tomorrow. So I've got to go back to Osaka and pack up my belongings and just be ready to take off on the train to the airport tomorrow, which is fairly easy. Just that I've been exercising a lot the past few days here, so I got to rest a little bit. So hey guys, here's Chinatown in Kobe, Japan. My interest got picked here. I'm just on the way back to the metro or train station. So I figured I'll just stop by for a second just to see. Not too expensive here. I have no idea what this is because it's written in Japanese, I think. Alright, you guys, I'm going to call it quits today. Catch you guys later.